Plank stones and slabs, pre-compact your bedding layer unless it's a permeable application. Paving stones, a loose sand setting bed, you're seating the pavers into the bedding layer. Either way, you want to use the FlexLock Ultra G2 polymeric sand with rapid set technology. It's OSHA PEL compliant, that's personal exposure limit, and it's got rapid set technology, so it's rain safe in 15 minutes. You want to follow that up with a Bartell BCF1570 forward-running vibratory plate compactor. It has a centrifugal force rating of 3,500 pounds, but a true rating of over 4,000 pounds. Why? It has a cast iron base, so it emits frequency better, less parasitic loss. It also has a standard wheel kit for mobility and polyurethane pad to protect the texture of whatever it is that you're consolidating. It also has a handle-mounted throttle so that you can throttle back easily in overlays, plank stones, and slab applications when appropriate. Remember, you're not compacting, you're only consolidating the joint fill.